Welcome to our unboxing, memory card, SIM card, and mobile app setup video for the TrueView 3MP1296P HD all-time color 4G SIM-based bullet CCTV security camera. Whether you're securing your home, shop, office, farm, or construction site, this versatile camera offers comprehensive surveillance solutions in various environments. Built with an IP66 waterproof rating, it stands resilient against harsh weather, ensuring consistent performance throughout the year. In your camera package, you'll find the 4G SIM-enabled bullet weatherproof camera, mounting screws, a user manual, and a DC power adapter. These components are designed to ensure a seamless setup process, allowing you to quickly get your surveillance system up and running with minimal fuss. This ease of installation makes it an accessible option for both beginners and experienced users alike. The TrueView CCTV camera stands out with its cutting-edge vision technology. Its all-time color vision feature delivers exceptionally vivid and clear visuals, even in challenging lighting conditions. With a 3MP resolution, every detail is captured with precision, which is crucial for accurate identification and analysis in security monitoring. This camera sets a high standard for image clarity in today's market, making it a valuable addition to any security setup. Moreover, the camera's expandable storage options, supporting up to 256 GB SD cards, provide ample space for extensive footage recording. This ensures you never miss an important moment, whether for security evidence or event review. Pair this with its enhanced communication features, such as full duplex audio intercom for two-way communication and intelligent detection alerts, and you have a security solution that is both comprehensive and user-friendly. The camera's advanced night vision capabilities, with adjustable modes, further enhance its utility, making it a standout choice for around-the-clock surveillance needs. Let's walk through the process of inserting your memory card and SIM card into the TrueView CCTV camera. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything functions smoothly. Begin by powering off your camera. This simple step is crucial to prevent any potential damage to the camera or your cards during the installation process. It might seem trivial, but it can save you from future complications. Locate the SIM and microSD card slots at the bottom of the camera. Gently lift the protective cap upward to expose these slots. Take care while doing this to avoid any damage to the components. Once you have access, you'll notice two slots, the top slot for the SIM card and the bottom for the memory card. Use a 3G or 4G SIM card with an active data plan. Carefully insert the SIM card into the top slot, ensuring it's aligned correctly. You should hear a satisfying click when it's securely in place. For removal, press gently, and it will pop out smoothly. Next, focus on the memory card slot below. Insert your microSD card with the correct orientation, as indicated by the icons nearby. For optimal recording capacity, use a memory card of up to 256 GB. This allows you to record 7 to 10 days of footage, depending on the video quality, frame rate, and recording settings, continuous or motion triggered. Ensure both cards are securely inserted and seated correctly. This double check helps prevent potential data loss or recording errors. With everything in place, you're now on your way to utilizing the full capabilities of your TrueView CCTV camera, offering you reliable and extensive surveillance for all your needs. Before beginning the mobile app configuration for your TrueView 4G camera, ensure that the camera is powered up using the provided DC power adapter. This step is essential, as the camera needs a reliable power source to function properly during the configuration process. Once plugged in, give it a moment to boot up and connect to the network.
Start 4G mode. The network is connecting.
After turning on the camera, pay close attention for a voice prompt indicating the status of your connection. You should hear a message stating, "Network connection is succeeded," followed by, "4G connected."
4G network connection succeeded.
These audio cues confirm that the camera has successfully established a connection to the 4G network, indicating that you can confidently proceed with adding the camera to the mobile app for complete functionality and monitoring. To download and install the TrueCloud app, start by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type TrueCloud and locate the app in the search results, ensuring that it is the version developed by Warner India. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its page and click the Install button, accepting any permissions that may appear. This will initiate the download, and the installation will automatically proceed once the download is complete. The entire process typically takes just a few minutes. Once installed, you can launch the app directly by tapping Open or by finding the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. If you already have a TrueCloud account, you can easily log in by providing your phone number or email address associated with your account. Open the app and look for the login screen, where you'll enter your phone number or email in the designated field along with your password. Once you've filled this out, tap the Login button to access your account. If you're new to TrueCloud, you'll need to register first. On the login screen, there will be an option to register. Choose either the email or mobile number method based on your preference for account creation. If you opt for mobile registration, select the country code, then enter your mobile number in the provided field. As part of the registration process, you'll also need to complete a safety certification. This involves dragging the tennis ball on the screen to touch the racket through the dot. Once you complete this task, click the Register button to finish setting up your account. Once you've entered your mobile number, the app will send a verification code to the mobile number you provided. Check your message box for this verification code, and once you find it, return to the app and enter the code in the designated field. This step confirms that you own the registered mobile number and helps secure your account. You'll also need to create your own password to complete the registration process. Additionally, you can link your email address to your account for easier future logins. By doing this, you can log in using your email instead of your mobile number, making the process more convenient. This added flexibility allows for quick access to your account whenever needed. During the setup process, the app may prompt you to allow and enable location services and Bluetooth features to integrate the camera easily with the app. When configuring the TrueView 4G camera, it's crucial to keep it positioned close to your phone during the initial setup. This proximity helps ensure a stable connection while you configure the camera. Before starting, confirm that the camera is in network connection mode and successfully connected to the 4G network. If needed, press the reset button for up to 5 seconds until you hear a notification sound. You should then hear the message stating, "Network connection is succeeded," followed by 4G connected, indicating that the camera is ready to be linked to the app. This setup method ensures a smooth and efficient configuration process as you prepare to use your new camera.
Start 4G mode. The network is connecting. 4G network connection succeeded.
To add the camera in the TrueView app, tap on Add Device or the plus symbol and select the option to scan a QR code. The app may also show a list of nearby searchable cameras. However, for this demo, make sure to enable your location and Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Note that this camera does not support adding via Bluetooth, so you'll need to use the QR code scanning method to proceed.
Automatically searching for nearby devices. Please wait. No nearby devices were found. Please click on Scan below and scan the QR code on the device body to add the device. After the device is powered on and you hear a voice prompt from the device, scan the QR code.
I'll choose to scan the QR code from the camera. The app will ask for permission to access your photos, which is necessary to use your device's camera scanner effectively. Once you've granted permission, locate the QR code on your camera's body, usually on a sticker. Position your smartphone so that the scanner can clearly capture the QR code. The app will automatically recognize it, and this QR code contains important identification and configuration details. After scanning, the app will guide you through the remaining setup steps to complete the camera installation. Once the camera is successfully added to the TrueCloud app, you'll receive a voice prompt or a notification confirming that the setup is complete and the camera is ready for use. While audio recording is disabled by default for privacy reasons, you have the option to enable it within the app if you require two-way communication. Additionally, the app allows you to customize your device's settings, including adjusting the date and time, selecting your preferred date format, and assigning a unique name to your camera. You can also set its location, making it easier to identify and manage multiple devices. After configuring these options, you can access live streaming, giving you real-time monitoring capabilities to keep an eye on your property from anywhere. The app may also prompt you to save the QR code of the camera for future reference. This QR code is an important backup. If the physical label on the camera becomes damaged or tampered with, you can easily re-add or troubleshoot the device using the saved code within the app. This feature enhances your security and convenience, ensuring you're not locked out of your camera setup. During initial setup, the app might request you to initialize the memory card installed in the camera, an essential step before starting recordings. Follow the on-screen instructions to format or activate the card, ensuring it's ready to store footage without issues. Finally, after setting up the 4G connection and adding the camera to the app, you can install the camera at a suitable location for optimal coverage. Proper placement ensures the camera monitors the intended area effectively. Once installed, the camera becomes fully operational, offering features like live streaming to view real-time footage directly on your smartphone or tablet from anywhere. To verify the status of your memory card, open the camera settings in the TrueCloud app, navigate to the record list, and select Storage Settings. If the card displays as uninitialized, tap Storage Medium again and then choose the Initialize button. This process formats the card for recording purposes. Once completed successfully, the status will change to In Use, and the available storage capacity will be displayed. You can access your recorded footage by switching to the SD card storage view in the app. By default, the camera records motion detection or event-triggered footage, but you have the option to customize the recording mode to better suit your surveillance needs. To review your recorded footage, simply click the Playback button within the app and select SD as the storage option. This feature allows you to conveniently watch videos stored on the SD card directly from your mobile device. All these functionalities are accessible through the TrueCloud app, which reliably operates over both mobile data and Wi-Fi networks worldwide. This means you can monitor your property in real time, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling abroad. For more detailed guidance on various settings and features, be sure to explore the other segments of this video series, which provide comprehensive explanations. If you found this video helpful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions help us produce more informative content and continue offering valuable resources to our community. Every bit of support makes a difference, and we're grateful to have you as part of our audience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and updates.